Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and let me show you how to add a Google account on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select Accounts and Backup, and here click on Manage Accounts. Then click on Add Account and pick Google. And now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on Next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also the privacy policy. You can go through all docs and read all the info, and if you do agree with all the above, just tap on I agree. And here it is. As you can see, your account is added and you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.